All right, this is build sprint 3 ticket. So here we have the project up and running. First, we'll take a look at the deliverables. So we're going to integrate Auth0, establish a profile page, some info, login, logout button that redirects you to Auth0. So we have, as you can see, um, currently at our home, we have just a login button. We go to our index. We have imported auth0 and useauth. So then here we are declaring domain and client ID using the .env, but backups as well. Here, so then we are applying the auth0 provider around the application, and then we have domain, client ID, and the redirect URI. Is loading and error, and then we are using those right here. So we have this logic, and then we have this loading page, okay. So then in our header, we are bringing in is authenticated and applying that. So we have the link home, but then we have the link to graphs and link to profile that will only show up if the user is authenticated. So then we have a login, right here, login button where we're bringing in useauth and link. And so if the user is not authenticated, they will be seeing login with a redirect to the home page, and then a logout button with a logout that is brought in from the useauth as well, and that's if they are authenticated. And then we have login, brings us here. I have it with GitHub. You saw the loading screen there, and then now we see graphs and profile. Graphs, as we know from the previous ticket, just loads a little slow. And then we have our profile page here with just a little bit of styling. We will go to profile. So I have formatted the date to make it a little bit more attractive than this. Here is, which I guess technically we don't need, but can only access this page if they are authenticated. Which actually I'm wrong. We do need that, just so that nobody can directly go to /profile and still access it as a workaround. And then we have that in graph as well. And this was another option. I wasn't sure if we were supposed to be returning or displaying exactly the right data. So here it is, and if we need to, we can do a map applying each one of those and doing that again. But having the name seemed redundant, and then almost didn't add last updated, but decided to anyways. All right. So one additional thing I did, I don't know that it needed to be done, but it was, and here's, you log out, it also redirects you. Created a user this way as well, just to see if it would work. So I clicked sign up and then did that. And then that gave me, so this route, just so that I could, and then profile, we have a new profile here, so we have an image.